Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs of July 14th, 2021. And the first question is, which of the following country won the UEFA European Championship tournament? And the options are A. Brazil, B. Italy, C. England, and D. Spain. And the correct answer is B. Italy. Italy bet England to win 2021 UEFA Euro title. Tournament held in 11 cities in 11 UEFA countries from 12th June to 12th July. The competition has been held every 4 years since 1960, except for 2020 when it was postponed until 2021 due to the COVID-19. Golden Boot winner is Cristiano Ronaldo from Portugal with 5 goals and 1 assist. Silver Boot winner is Patrick Schick from Czech Republic with 5 goals. Bronze Boot winner is Karim Benzema from France with 4 goals in 4 matches. And the Golden Ball player of the tournament was Gianluigi Donnarumma, is from Italy. Young player of the tournament is Pedri from Spain. And the second question is, International Boxing Day has been rescheduled from July 22 to which of the following dates? And the options are A. August 22, B. September 22, C. June 22, and D. May 22. And the correct answer is A. August 22. To tie in more closely with the first edition of the AIBA World Championships, the competition was held between August 17th and August 30th, 1974. In 2019, AIBA designated International Boxing Day to be celebrated every year. AIBA increases number of weight categories for boxers. Men's weight categories will increase from 10 to 13, women's will rise from 10 to 12. The minimum weight for men was reduced from 49 kilos to 48 kilos. Men's super heavyweight category starts from 92 kilos, and the minimum weight for women remains the same at 48 kilos. Women's heavyweight weight class remains the same at 81 kilos. The decision is in force from August 1st, 2021. International Boxing Association formed in 1946 and headquartered in Lausanne. Current president of International Boxing Association is Umar Kremlev from Russia. And the third question is, which country has developed the world's first conjugate COVID-19 vaccine, Soberana 2? And the options are A. UAE, B. Russia, C. India, and D. Cuba. And the correct answer is D. Cuba. It is 91% effective against symptomatic COVID-19 cases. Soberana 2 vaccine is administered in 3 dose regimes. It comprises of 2 shots of Subarena 2 and 1 shot of Subarena Plus, developed by Finlay Institute in collaboration with Center for Molecular Immunology and National Biopreparation Center. And the fourth question is, India's first cryptogamic garden inaugurated in which of the following state? And the options are A. Delhi, B. Karnataka, C. Uttarakhand, and D. Uttar Pradesh. And correct answer is C. Uttarakhand. And the fifth question is, which of the following state has decided to create a new department for tribal? And the options are A. Maharashtra, B. Assam, C. Odisha, and D. Andhra Pradesh. And the correct answer is B. Assam. Assam has decided to create a new department for tribals. And the sixth question is, who among the following becomes the fifth man in tennis history to win the first 3 majors of the year? And the options are A. Roger Federer, B. Rafael Nadal, C. S. Berrettini, and D. Novak Djokovic. And the correct answer is D. Novak Djokovic. Novak Djokovic becomes the fifth man in tennis history to win the first 3 majors of the year. And the other 4 players are Jack Crawford, Don Budge, Lew Hurd, and Rod Laver. Novak Djokovic becomes first man since 1969 to win first 3 majors of the year. The only man in the Open era to complete a calendar slam was Rod Laver in 1968. Steffi Graf is the only player in tennis history to have won all 4 majors and an Olympic gold in the same year. And the 7th question is, N.S. Srinivasamurthy selected as the new honorary consul general of Vietnam for the state of which of the following? And the options are A. Assam, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Karnataka, and D. Madhya Pradesh. And the correct answer is C. Karnataka. He is Vietnam's first honorary consul general from India and the world's 19th. He is the third consul general in the world to be appointed in this year. Which of the following is the name of human commercial space mission launched by Virgin Galactic? And the options are A. Unity 22, B. Blue Origin, C. VG22, and D. Unity 21. And the correct answer is A. Unity 22. US based company Virgin Galactic announced the 6-member crew of its human commercial space mission Unity 22. Richard Branson, founder of Virgin Galactic, Sirisha Bandla, Indian origin woman. She was born in Tenali, Guntur district in Andhra Pradesh state. She becomes the third Indian woman to be in space. And the 9th question is, India's chess master Vishwanathan Anand finished which position in Croatia Grand Chess Tour 2021? And the correct answer is D. Second. India's chess master Vishwanathan Anand finished in second position in Croatia Grand Chess Tour 2021. And the 10th question is, who is the author of the book titled A New Cold War? Henry Kissinger and the Rise of China. And the options are A. Sanjay Baru, B. Rahul Sharma, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Both A and B. Sanjay Baru and Rahul Sharma are the authors of the book titled A New Cold War, Henry Kissinger and the Rise of China. And the 11th question is, which of the following SFB has applied for the amalgamation of its promotion approved by RBI? And the options are A. Equitas SFB, B. Ujjivan SFB, C. Capital SFB, and D. ESAF SFB. And the correct answer is A. Equitas SFB. And the 12th question is, who has released the book titled Palleku Pattabhishekam, a book on rural India and agriculture? And the options are A. Y.S. Jagannath Reddy, B. M. Venkaiah Naidu, C. A. Suresh, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. M. Venkaiah Naidu. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu released the book Palleku Pattabhishekam, written by Dr. Yalamanchi Shivaji. And the one-liners are, MP's Jyoti Ratre becomes oldest Indian woman to scale Mount Elbrus. And New Zealand's Devon Conway named ICC Men's Player of the Month for June 2021. Sophie Ecclestone named ICC Women's Player of the Month for June 2021. Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli has been removed by Supreme Court of Nepal. Nepal Supreme Court orders appointment of Sher Bahadur Dauba as Prime Minister. And New Zealand's Shirley Hooper elected as the Vice President of World Netball. Former Indian bowler Pankaj Singh retires from all cricket forms. Exim Bank of India has extended a USD 35.25 million loan to execute a power transmission project in Senegal. And Piyush Goyal co-chaired 21st session of India-Italy JCEC, which means Joint Commission for Economic Cooperation. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay safe, stay home.